Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Binance Beginner's Guide. Binance.com, the world's leading crypto exchange. Let's get started in 5 quick and easy steps. Step 1, register account. Step 2, complete verification. Step 3, deposit crypto. Step 4, buy crypto. Step 5, explore Binance products. Step 1, register account. Step 2, complete verification. You can complete identity verification on your Binance account to unlock the fiat deposit and withdrawal limits. This process typically takes a few minutes to complete, which includes verifying your basic account information, providing ID documentation, and uploading a selfie/portrait. Be sure to secure your Binance account. While we do everything to keep your account secure, you also have the power to increase the security of your Binance account. Step 3, deposit crypto. If you already hold crypto in another wallet, you can deposit them into your Binance Wallet. Please refer to the FAQ here for more information on how to deposit and withdraw crypto on your Binance account. Never do the followings. Share your Binance account/wallet passwords, private keys, or 2FA codes with anyone. Binance will never ask you to disclose sensitive information. If you are not familiar with crypto wallets, please read this Academy article here to learn more. Please note that you should share your Binance account/wallet passwords, private keys, or 2FA codes with anyone. Binance will never ask you to disclose sensitive information. Step 4, buy crypto. Deposit fiat. Depending on your country, you can deposit up to 50 plus fiat currencies, such as your BRL, and onto your Binance account using bank transfer and bank cards. Once deposited, you can use them to buy crypto directly. Buy crypto using debit/credit card. You can also buy crypto directly using your credit/debit card on the Binance website or the light mode on the Binance app easily. Buy crypto using peer-to-peer. You can buy crypto with peer-to-peer methods, too. This allows you to buy crypto from other crypto enthusiasts like you directly. Visit this page to learn more on how to buy crypto on peer-to-peer. Step 5, explore Binance products. Spot trading. After getting your first crypto, you can start exploring our versatile trading products. In the spot market, you can trade hundreds of crypto, including BNB. BNB powers the Binance ecosystem and is the native coin of the Binance chain and the Binance Smart Chain. BNB has several use cases, such as paying for trading fees on the Binance Exchange and Binance DEX, decentralized exchange, and paying for goods and services online and in-store. Most importantly, you can get a special discount if you choose to pay for trading fees in BNB on the Binance Exchange. Lock staking, launch pool. Binance Earn. If you are not interested in trading but still looking to increase your crypto holdings, you can try Binance Earn. It offers a complete suite of financial products for you to grow your passive income, including flexible savings, Binance Liquid Swap, just to name a few. If you're new to crypto, be sure to visit Binance Academy, your one-stop guide to learn all about blockchain and crypto. Please note, trading cryptocurrencies involves significant risks and can result in the loss of your capital.